Let's make an autumn picture.
You're going to need some twigs, some string and some old fabric cut into strips.
And 4 hands.
Tie a double knot to secure the string and wrap it around the twigs. Cut a really long piece of string, about 3 times the length of your arm, and tie it to the top twig. To create your loom, pull the string across to the opposite side, loop it right round, and then repeat.
Traditionally, this is called the warp. Tie the fabric here, then weave it under and over. This time, over and under, over and under, over and under. So it looks like this. Just tie another piece on. If you prefer, you can make a picture for inside your frame.